Professionals demand precision and quality when getting work done. They often choose and depend on Ryobi Power Tools to take on projects. In this video, we'll showcase the 10 most innovative Ryobi tools that you need to check out.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Pruning jobs by a handsaw? Oh, that's so annoying. You just can't reach all those high places easily. That's where the Ryobi OLP 1832B Bypass Lopper comes into play and saves you from that hassle. This bypass lopper maintains proper safety while you're completing overhead branch cutting and pruning tasks. Just a simple press, and you can cut up to 32mm cuts in a second. Surprisingly enough, it lets you get up to 100 cuts on a single battery. It simply extends your cutting capabilities and brings the most clean cut for a perfectly edged look to your garden. So say goodbye to all those headaches of overhead pruning tasks. Installing PX tubing and replacing old pipelines are some unavoidable tasks for plumbing pros, but most of them don't rely on cordless solutions to do that. However, if you watch this Ryobi P660 in action at least once, you'll love to have it. This cordless PX pinch clamp tool eliminates all the cord dragging hassles around the job site and improves your productivity with the corded type power. The best pro of this tool is it indicates a green light when the PX clamping is done firmly with proper pressure. This tool supports all the pinch sizes between the 3/8 and 1 inch. One of the coolest parts is you can pinch up to 400 clamps on a single charger with this P660 tool. Plus, the dual LED lights and belt clip maintains maximum comfort and absolute control from job to job. Let's be frank, handheld blowers are effective enough for the task but cause a great hand strain too. With that in mind, Ryobi designed this backpack blower to offer you the utmost comfort while you're involved with demanding cleaning projects. This blower features cross-force band technology to bring an effortless yet time-saving way of cleaning. Plus, it also features an adjustable strap and contour frame to make every operation a breeze. This backpack blower delivers 625 CFM of airflow to blast away all the annoying dead leaves from your ground, even some heavy debris too. Maybe you're worried about the noise? Not an issue, it produces only 59 decibels of sound, making it the quietest blower in its class. There's more, it also comes with a turbo mode in case you have some emergency cleaning job in hand. Ryobi Backpack Blower, clean with comfort. It's time to go for a ride on your lawn side. Here's the Ryobi RM480E, a ride-on lawnmower that offers you a fun ride while mowing all the overgrown grasses perfectly. This mower has up to 2 hours of total runtime and completes around 2 acres of the area easily. The RM480E is built with high technology and boasts 3 efficient motors that deliver the power directly to the blade and wheel for achieving the best outcome in a short period of time. The best thing about this electric mower is you no longer have to fight dangerous fumes and annoying gas during operation. Meanwhile, it produces as low noise as possible, meaning your mowing is not going to be the headache for your neighbor anymore. With 12 mowing heights, it lets you bring the most even and uniform look onto your lawn. Okay, here's something that is made to maintain overgrown hedges around your house. This is the Ryobi Whisper Series hedge trimmer that comes in a great design and feature Whisper Series technology that provides you all the needed power thanks to the built-in brushless motor. The hedge trimmer generates 5.5 times more power than the standard ones. Plus, the Whisper Series hedge trimmer produces zero noise and increases your productivity with high trimming power. The 24-inch blade length ensures a clean, fast cut with a 1-inch cut capacity. Not just that, it also features a magnesium gearbox that is lightweight enough yet offers second-to-none durability for years to come. It's obvious professionals meet accidental issues while working on a project involving drywall. This is why Ryobi designed this plaster repair kit that brings out the easiest way of fixing plaster damage, and the process is so simple. First, take out all the accessory. Take out the tape from the template and stick it firmly onto the damaged space. Attach the arbor to your standard driver and drill that hole smoothly until you get that perfect reset. After a light sanding, you're ready to apply the plaster, and now you're done. Let the plaster dry and it'll get its new-like look again. Hammer drills are built to handle tougher jobs, which is why pros cannot use cordless tools. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi made this RPD18X premium hammer drill with the similar power of a corded drill yet with cordless convenience. This hammer drill generates up to 85 Newton-meter of torque to tackle the most demanding jobs from wood to concrete. With a high speed of around 2,100 RPM and 31,500 impacts per minute, it makes all the hard jobs quicker and easier than ever. Plus, it has a keyless metal chuck that minimizes total job time when shifting between different materials. The best part of this drill is its auxiliary handle, which maintains stability on tougher jobs, bringing the highest precision possible. Meanwhile, the 2-speed gearbox lets you do accurate drilling on multiple surfaces. It also features an onboard LED for low-light areas. You know the annoyance of noisy generators around your job site, but if you have this Ryobi inverter generator there, you will no longer have to take the pain. This is a super quiet 2,300-watt inverter generator that generates plenty of power for all your electronics yet produces only 57 decibels of sound. It's a tough portable power supply solution that is made for both harsh job site conditions and regular outings. Not just that, it's a smart generator also. This generator supports Bluetooth connectivity and offers best-in-class versatility for your comfort. However, it's a super safe yet reliable power source for all your mild to heavy-duty tools. With 2 all-terrain wheels, an expandable pulling handle and rugged construction, it becomes suitable for any rust situation and goes everywhere you go. When it comes to emptying up a small fish pond, a blocked bathtub, or a spa, doing that with a bucket seems so laborious. You better pick up this Ryobi submersible pump to complete the work in mere time and with zero effort. The operating pump is so simple. Just place the pump under the water and keep the battery anywhere you want. It has a great flow rate of up to 70 liters per minute. This R18 SUP10 can immerse in a maximum water depth of 5 meters and pumps water to a maximum height of 8 meters. Not just that, it can suck both clean and dirty water and transfer them down to 35 millimeter. Thanks to the dry run protection technology, this pump alerts you when it needs to be removed. Plus, the preset timers make every application accurate and time-saving. It's not always true that compact tools are less powerful. So now let's wrap up today's list with such a pressure washer that comes in a smaller size yet provides big power. This Ryobi electric pressure washer delivers up to 1,600 psi of airspeed and blasts away all the dirt and marks from your surfaces. Most importantly, it comes with a durable construction and a simple design that offers you easy carrying and storage facilities. Plus, the long power cord provides great maneuverability around your home or outdoors. Oh, there's also a turbo nozzle that ensures up to 50% more cleaning power and makes every application cozier than before. So that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.